Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Say hi.
Hi.
And today we have this motorcycle toy, and I mean, this has a lot going on with it. So we're gonna open it up, take a look, but it looks like it has lights and sound and spray, like a mist exhaust on this, and it looks like it has a little like racetrack and stuff with it, tools. So let's open it up. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, it's a red one.
Oh, it's a red one?
Yeah. Yep, this is a red one. Yeah.
It looks like it's packed in there nice and tight.
I need to bring it.
Okay, looks like that's everything that's in the box.
I already opened this thing. I already opened this thing. I pop it.
You can pop it later.
Yep.
Okay, so there are lots of parts on this. And let's find out where the batteries go. Oh, that comes down. That's a ramp.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Okay, let's find the instructions.
I want to open this thing.
Okay. Yep, hang on.
Some cards inside with this thing.
Okay, so let's get some of these parts out. Looks like we got a bunch of decals. So we'll put that on very shortly. So that is your instruction manual. So here's the instructions.
Girl, I'm trying to open this.
And then on this side. Oh, you're figuring the whole thing out. So this is where you're gonna put the water into this little spot right here. And then this is the water sucker upper, and then the water squirter. So you'll take the water and you'll put it in there. So we'll get a little glass of water to fill that up in a little bit. And so these are the handlebars. And that's how it folded down. Okay, so to get to the batteries, you got to get here. So you have one bolt, two bolts, and that's a carry handle, and there's another bolt under here. And then that pulls off, and then your battery compartment is here.
There's some cars. There's some cars.
Okay, you got a little screw here. And that comes open. And then you need 3 AAA batteries. Then we put that back. And I love how it's got the little screw compartment here, so it keeps the little ones out of that battery compartment. And then again, put that back. And you got these 3. Here, Aiden, screw these back down.
I need help.
I know.
I need help.
Okay, I'll screw these down.
Just I need help.
Okay, and then that's the handlebar. It goes back down in there. And that's how it starts. Let's get some water for the exhaust. So just add some water. And we'll put that lid on. And then that should start making some mist and exhaust. Oh, is that on the one side or is it on that side? Pretty cool. Okay, so to get the mirrors in, you got to kind of pull up on this plastic, and then you're going to slide that into place. And there's a little notch in there that you got to kind of line up, but then rinse and repeat for that side. Okay, so on top there is a button that you push, and that will open the sides for you. So make sure you have that open. Make sure you don't have any cars underneath that. So then this opens up the front, and also you can tell we put all the decals on. And then you get you move your handlebars, you get your blinkers, turn signals, blinkers. And then Aiden's demonstrating. You move that, and then that will put that up so the car can go down to the end. And then this back part opens up, the seat. And then you can drop your cars down. Oh, but wait, we got to put the kind of like the side exhaust pieces on here. So you'll see the little yellow pegs that are here. And then you just kind of line that up and push them in. And then on this side, same thing.
I need the car.
And then just give them a good press together. Okay, good. Push together. And then you have these little diversion bars on the inside. So you can pick what side it goes to. And then you push the car down.
No, there's a lever.
Oh, there's a lever. Okay, so the lever's on that side. And then that goes down. And if we had that the right way, wait, now we're stuck. Here, try that again. Okay, show everybody. Go ahead. So pretty neat. Then if you put the diversion bar, switch over to that side. Go ahead. Then it goes down on that side. So pretty cool little playset. And then you got a bunch of different tracks here. You can put down race car back here. And I think you got to do a switch on that side too, right? Yeah. The lever. Go ahead. Push the lever. Yep.
This one. Okay. Put the car back up in there.
Okay, ready? Pretty cool. And then now you can really see the smoke going. Oops, on that side.
Oh, clean. Oh, clean.
All clean.
She's so clean. Cool.
So pretty neat. So yeah, pretty cool playset. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Say bye.
Bye.